Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. India remains on wait list even as UK leads quarantine for vaccinated EU-US travelers. Fully vaccinated travelers from the US and European Union countries will be able to avoid a 10-day compulsory quarantine when they arrive in England. However, travelers from India will still remain on the wait list. Travelers from France and India will have to stick on to the 10-day quarantine rules even if they are fully vaccinated upon arrival in UK. Upon arrival in UK. Currently, only people who receive their COVID-19 vaccine in the UK can avoid quarantine when arriving from this amber list. Countries under the government's traffic list travel system. We have taken great strides on our journey to reopen international travel. Today is another important step forward. Whether you are family reuniting for the first time since the start of the pandemic or a business benefiting from increased trade, this is progress. This is progress training can enjoy all, said UK Transport Secretary Grant Shapps. We will of course continue to be guided by the latest scientific data, but thanks to our world-leading domestic vaccination program, we are able to look to the future and start to rebuild key transatlantic routes with the US while further cementing ties with our European neighbors, he said. This amber list arrivals who have been fully vaccinated in the US and EU countries will still be required to complete a pre-departure test before arrival into England, alongside a PCR test on or before day 2 arrival. France continues to remain outside this amid a surge in beta variety cases in the country. Mamta's Chai Pe Charcha with Anjana, Chitra and Kriti. As Parliament's monsoon session is disrupted over issues like Pegasus price rise and COVID, Mamata Banerjee is in Delhi meeting opposition leaders and preparing for her new innings after the Bengal victory. On Wednesday afternoon, Mamata Banerjee had a Chai Pe Charcha with journalists in which India Today's group Anjana, Om Kashyap, Chitra Tripathi and Preeti Chaudhary also participated. What was the message that the Bengal CM tried to send out through this meeting in Delhi? This is what India Today's Anjana, Om Kashyap, Chitra Tripathi and Preeti Chaudhary had to say. It's interesting to see the Chief Minister of State come to Delhi and have an off-record meeting with the media. Invited to the meeting, I also went there. There was a shine of victory and self-confidence on Mamata Banerjee's face, as if she said, found the mantra to defeat Prime Minister Modi. She often reiterated that there was no need to fear Modi and Amit Shah. This repeatedly tried to send out a message. We have the mantra to take on Modi and we have taught them this lesson in Bengal. She gave her most emphatic answer when a journalist asked. India Tokyo Olympics live updates. PV Sindhu, Atanu Das and Indians main hockey team shine in quicker morning session. Arjun Ral and Arvind Singh finished 5th in the immense lightweight doubles class B final 11th overall. Badminton PV Sindhu beats Mia Blichfeld in straight games, reach women's singles quarters. Hockey India men hammer defending champions Argentina 3-1 confirmed quarter-final berth. Shooting Rani Sarnobat shoots 287 in the 25-meter women's pistol prison round. Archery Atanu Das turns legendary Korean Ojenek to reach round of 16 in men's individual. Boxing Satish Kumar reaches quarter-finals of the men's super heavyweight category, beats Ricardo Brown of Jamaica 4-1. Golf Anirban Lahiri and Udayan men in round 1. Daughter lover kills father for objecting to bathing. Hang body from tree in UP village. A woman is buried in Uttar Pradesh murdered her father and then hung his body from a tree for disapproving of her wedding plans. The woman and her husband made the man drink alcohol, and after he was drunk enough, they stuck him with an iron rod till he fell unconscious. According to a report in the Times of India, the 46-year-old farmer Harpal Singh disapproved for his daughter's relationship and had also refused to hand over the 10 bigha land he had. Harpal's body was later found hanging from a tree at a village in Sambhal of Bareilly. Initially, it was presumed to be a case of suicide. However, the autopsy soon revealed a different story. The autopsy showed injury marks on his body which prompted the police to launch further probe into the death. Police have said the victim's wife had lodged a complaint that on July 19, Harpal Singh went to his farm as usual but he did not return home. He was found hanging from the tree the next day. The wife suspected foul play and informed the police. It was later found that the victim's daughter, along with her lover and his friend, has conspired to kill him. Police found that victim's daughter had made multiple phone calls to her boyfriend the same day her father went missing from his field. This led the police to suspect the daughter's role. Preeti and her boyfriend Dharmendra Yadav were picked up by the police from the Badhan, while the third accused is still absconding. The two later confessed to their crime during an interrogation. An FIR under charges of murder and criminal conspiracy has been lodged against their three accused.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.